Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be doing some color correcting on the entry grade because there are a few things that need to be color corrected, and there's one thing I just want to paint because it doesn't look that good as it is. This shouldn't take too long. It's only going to require a few colors and a few coats, so enjoy the video, I guess. I think I can just use this brush for the camera, which is supposed to be yellow, so I'm just going to do a light coat of white paint onto it first, just so that the yellow looks a bit better. And don't worry about the edges. I'm just going to clean them up in a minute. As for the actual lines of the camera, I'm thinking I'm going to do those in a wash. Mostly because it'll be way easier. And just leave that to dry for a bit. And while I'm waiting, I can start on the head. And the first thing that needs to be painted is the rear camera. Since it's pretty obviously supposed to be red, and it's not. Doubt I'm going to need that much paint. So one drop should be enough. Well, I have the focus. I have the rear camera done. I have the black around the eyes done. And I managed to break the V-fin, because of course I did. Thankfully I have that cement, so it was easy enough to fix. I'll just clean up the seam later. Might as well remove the seams on the legs too while I'm at it, now that I think about it. Alright, well that's something else to do. This needs like one more coat of yellow and it should be good. So I'll be back in a bit. Alright, and everything's done. I painted, oh, come on, focus. Painted the scope. You'll notice that I did end up swapping the heads on these. I like the entry rate head more. Now that I have that painted, it looks fine, so. Also, this head surprisingly looks pretty decent on the entry grade body, so it kind of works out. But anyway, that's been all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, it helps a lot. Subscribe for future reviews and watch my backlog. Go follow me on Twitter for updates, and consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you reviews, just like this one. And as always, until next time, happy building.